Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming power and connections. Because the headset often goes black from low battery or a bad cable, charge to over 50% and hold the power button 30 seconds to force a reboot. Next, examine the USB-C port and any adapter for debris or bent pins, use a different OEM or high-quality cable, and plug into a known good outlet. Once done, try a soft reboot and watch LED behavior to determine if this moves you past the blank screen. If basic checks don't fix it, boot into recovery to isolate software faults. Hold power plus volume down to access the recovery menu. This bypasses the main OS so you can clear cache or perform a reboot without losing data. If the menu appears, use the factory restart option only after backing up. Otherwise, connect to a PC and use the Oculus app or ADB sideload to push firmware updates or roll back problematic versions. This often, when nothing else works, perform a factory reset as a final step. But make sure the headset is fully charged and you have account backups because this wipes local data. If the reset fails or the screen stays black, document LED patterns, steps tried, and error behaviors. Then contact support or request an RMA using that information. If you love hands-on repair, check internal display cable seating and test replacement parts. Otherwise, the key tip is escalate early with clear diagnostics to speed up warranty service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.